Hello guys and good morning. It is absolutely sweltering on a different level. My flat is horrific, absolutely horrific. I've got a fan but like I'm sweating. Anyway, I'm going on a little staycation. I thought, you know what, let's vlog it. Let's spend the next 2 days together, show you what we get up to and show you what happens on the staycation. It's with Stanley. I've got my my water bottle. I'm very happy. We're actually going to the Grove, which is a really nice hotel, and we've got a full girly jam-packed schedule, which I'm so excited about. I did curl my hair, however, now in this heat being like 32, that was a very big mistake. Very big mistake. So let's dive in, let's crack on, and let's get to the Grove, shall we? Okay guys, we're pulling up! Just come in for our first session, which is a little cooking course. You've got these cute little layouts, which I think is the new Stanley collection. How cute. And then we got some little like cakes and bits too, which is great because I'm starving. Look at the view. This is stunning. Wow. It's warm today as well. Oh.
Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedules. Welcome to our Stanley 1913 picnic event. For this year, it's so nice to have you all here. Ready? Yes, chef! You're we committed to that.
Alright, so we're not going to be.
I'm sorry.
We're going to be doing a live demonstration.
Serious? Oh, no, I can't even. What even is this? Am I meant to put it down for? It's just not giving vibes, is it? So we have like 4 groups. We've got lemonade, chocolate, something, scones, and scones, and cupcakes. So I'm going to do lemonade because you can't cook. So if it tastes bitter, don't blame on me. I'm so glad the screen is small enough that I can't see what it looks like. Wait, have I got that the right way? Because that doesn't look right. No. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so I don't know. It was very confusing. When you go, it smells good. Go can't cook with that. Juicing. I don't know. Are we doing this wrong? We can't get any juice.
I've still got something around. You need to push that thing down.
Oh.
It was zest as well.
12 zest.
That's a lot of zest. Oh my god. That looks so gross.
There's a napkin over there. It's
What the hell is going on?
That's what I just
Spoon in that.
We've got like a little lunch bit going. What have we got in the little? What's in this little mix that we've got going on?
Philadelphia,
Yeah.
salt, pepper, lemon,
chives,
pesto.
bit of lemons, no juice. Yeah, it's all going on. It smells amazing.
Did they say pesto as well?
a little like platter underneath, or like
But I ate it. This is so fun. That's so sexy. Okay, the little chocolate sticks have come out, which is cute.
Someone's nicked mine.
This table looks a little bit exciting.
It's a kids' school party. Oh my god, no, I'm actually gassed. This looks unreal. Slay. How cute is this little set out? I'm obsessed. Love.
I mean, hopefully there is. That's what I said.
When you're like,
Does anyone want an umbrella for some shade?
work. I've got
I'm going to Ibiza next week for work.
Who are you going with?
I'm going with Shane.
So am I!
Oh,
Same. We're going. Are you? What day are you flying? Guys, this room is gorgeous. We just sat and had a quick little drink, but look at this. Slay. This is a really nice bathroom. Hi guys. I actually caught the sun when we were sat out there. How nice. And then we got a little book and stuff. So we got a Stanley cup and then a little picnic book and then quarterly and then free sale stuff. And then look at this. It's a Stanley cup. How cute is that? I'm obsessed. Okay guys, I've just changed my outfit. I've kept my shorts on and I've just put my sports bra on. This is from Garage. Love, great bits. And we're just gonna go for like a little walk around the area, have like a little branch around. Also obsessed with these sunnies. This was the best thing China ever told me to buy. I'm literally love. So let's go for a little walk. Okay guys, we're just on our little walk. It is absolute glorious vibes and there's a nice little breeze as well, which is great. We've just found the cutest little pink car. I'm going to show you. Look at this. I wish we could have driven that around. It just makes me want a pink Jeep even more, but we move. At least I look iconic. We're just going to go for a little walk now and see what's around the grounds, because see, this is like 100 acres of land, which is just insane. Hello guys, so I am currently just getting ready for dinner. We went and had like a little cocktail, which I totally forgot to vlog, so I'll insert a photo. Now, I've got this new little dress on today from Pepper Mayo, kind of cute. Just doing my little body glow. This has actually got an SPF 30. This is from Kapari. I've been really loving their stuff recently, but I'm just trying to add like a little glow to the boards. I am worried I'm gonna accidentally show someone something they shouldn't, because it's like a tie-up back situation, but I think I'm gonna get one of the girls to like re-sort it out and re-tie it up for me, because we can't be having any slips. I need to see my legs as well. Honestly, a body glow, in my opinion, just finishes off an outfit. Like, it's just gorge, like absolutely stunning. I need to get my toes done this week as well, but it's been so good. We did go on like a little walk. There was this really cute car. I'm gonna insert a photo, and oh my god, like we were just cracking up. But I'm really excited for dinner. Hopefully it'll be really nice. I don't actually know what food it is. All I know is that we've got that obviously for dinner. So I'm gonna try and get some like, sorry, this is very, very out there, but it's been such a good day so far and I can't wait for dinner vibes. Hopefully gonna get some good content and I can insert that. I actually picked up a bit of colour at the lunch, so I'm just gonna glow myself up and hope that I can do that. I'm not gonna put any necklaces on, I don't think, but I'm gonna jazz up the belly, because why not? Also, the smell of this is gorge. I'll probably have a shower when I get back. Ooh! So let's go take some content. I think we're gonna do it in Abby's room. Let's do it. We've just sat down for dinner. How cute is this? Wow. I'm loving. Absolute vibes.
Like this is killing me off the whole.
Guys, the dinner's just come out. This is the starter. We've got like fresh tuna. This looks so good. And then we got a steak for a main. And then what else have we got? Palate cleanser, little sorbet, and then dessert is like a cake crunch situation. So I'm very excited for this. Do you know who's good? Why is he not aged? How that just cut through? You have to do conversation. I just don't understand. When I first started but now everyone does. Look how gorgeous this steak is, like the way that I'm so excited right now. Okay, we got pudding. This is like a little palate cleanser situation, which is like a nice little sorbet, and then we got this like chocolate pudding situation.
So he's gonna come down the aisle and be like, oh wow! That's how she's so surprised.
Right, let's give it a go.
Well, this is like a chocolate heaven.
Is it? I'm a chocolate girl, so I thought this was something.
Like, this is the quietest everyone's doing it for a while.
I know, I'm gonna have
Hello guys, I've just gotten ready. We went out for a little cheeky cocktail and we just came back, and now I'm basically getting ready for bed. We've got to be up in like 6 hours because we've got like Pilates and stuff tomorrow, breakfast, we're gonna do some content again before we check out. I am like dying. I've never had hay fever like this. Oh. I literally can't figure out what's going on. I'm like half asleep. But yes, I'm getting ready for bed now, so I will see you all tomorrow morning. We had a really fun day. That dinner was absolutely gorgeous. Me and the girls loved the vibes. And I will see you all in the morning, bright and early, for Pilates and breakfast. Good morning. Bit of a hectic one. I had such a rush come out last night, as you can see from my neck. It's not looking great, but we've just got ready. We're going to get ready for Pilates. I'm extremely hungry, but I honestly am just a bit delulu this morning because I'm like not ready to slept through my alarms, but hopefully it'll be good. And this new outfit is quite nice as well, so I'll show you when I'm working out.
Tailbone in the other direction, still looking straight down. Take a breath in, scoop in, exhale round your back again. Tucking under and hoist over. It's so weird. Elbow down to the wrist, exhale. Inhale, lengthen, flatten out the shoulder blades and rotate. So you don't get this time only lifting to hip heights. Pull in the tummy muscles, lift the bottom leg.
Alright,
Sorry.
we've just, it's alright,
Sorry, thank you.
just come for breakfast. We are just walking through to see what they've got now. Oh, this is fancy. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. I don't. Oh my god, they got waffles, pancakes.
Of course, they got creme brulee, French toast.
What? That sounds unbelievable,
Yeah,
but I think after my toilet incident last night, I don't ever want to do that. Unreal. Oh, look at the eggs royale. Oh, and it is on a little.
Oh, that's cute.
That is nice. I've got honey roasted gammon on this. I know.
There's so much out.
I know. Also, they've got like oh, what's it called? They had like
No, it's lovely.
oh, that's a good egg. I can't remember what they had, but they had something else, like a French toast, like a banana something, or like a something French toast, which I'm definitely going to get. I am malnourished.
Yeah. Oh no, they have two plates. I'm like thinking about my throat.
So that's going no notes.
The yogurt bowl.
Hello guys, so we basically have like checked out now, but we're allowed to go by the pool, so we're actually going to get some content by the pool, have a bit of a tan, and we'll show you what it's like, because this is absolutely gorgeous, like a man-made little beach. Like, how cute is this little entryway? Love. It's honestly massive. We've just got ourselves, is that mine? Yeah, that must be mine. A crispy Coke and a Solero, and it's so hot, it's literally like dripping in my hand. I literally can't keep up, it's all over my mouth. But this is elite. This is elite. I literally love it so much. Hello guys, so I'm now actually home. I totally forgot to end the vlog. Like always, the one thing I'm good at doing is starting a vlog, and the one thing I'm not good at doing is ending the vlog. We basically ended up staying a little bit longer. Shout out to the Stanley team, they were so good. We ended up getting our own content. We tanned it up for a bit, got a little cheeky ice cream and a little crispy Coke. We stayed. Also, the photos I got the evening of the dinner, unreal, so good. Like, and that was one of, if not the best holiday breakfast I think I've ever had. Like, the way it is going to be my new favorite thing, eggs benedict. I've never really liked hollandaise sauce, or like I don't really remember ever trying it, to be honest, but like it is now 10/10 no notes. Like, genuinely unbelievable, so good. So again, shout out to Stanley, thank you so much. I had such a good time, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying my content. I'm trying to post every single week. I have so much coming up. I've got more trips. I've got literally so many things in the diary for the rest of this year, which I'm so excited about. So if you are loving this, I post every single day over on TikTok and on Instagram, and I'll make sure to see you all in my next video. Bye.